Hi everyone, today I am going to explain the regular, that is M.Tech CSE subject, first year second sem. Okay, this subject is advanced computer architecture. Okay, so today I am going to explain the unit 1 theory of parallelism. Here I have mentioned the long questions and short questions also. Coming to the long questions, explain the theory of parallelism with suitable examples. Explain parallel computer models in detail. Explain PRAM and VLSI models with neat diagrams. Explain multiprocessors and multi-computers. Coming to the fifth one, explain program partitioning and scheduling. Explain system interconnection architectures. Explain conditions of parallelism and program flow mechanisms. So coming to the short questions, define parallelism, what is PRAM, define SIMD computers, difference between multiprocessor and multi-computer, define program scheduling, and last one is applications of parallel computing. So these are very important from unit 1 from JNTUH. Okay. So now moving to the unit 2, long questions are: explain principles of scalable performance, explain performance matrices and measures, explain speed up performance laws, that is Amdahl's law and Gustafson's law. Okay, so coming to the fourth one, explain scalability analysis, explain memory hierarchy in parallel systems. Sixth one is explain superscalar processors. Seventh one is explain vector processors. Okay, so coming to the short questions, define scalability, define speed up, state Amdahl's law, define superscalar processor, define vector processor, performance matrix. Now moving to the unit 3, long questions are: explain shared memory organization, explain sequential and weak constituency models, explain pipelining techniques, explain linear pipeline processes, explain non-linear pipeline processes, explain instruction pipeline design, and explain arithmetic pipeline design. Explain superscalar pipeline design. Okay, so coming to the short questions, define pipeline hazards, define shared memory, what is weak constituency, define superscalar pipeline, and last one is advantages of pipeline. These are very important from unit 3. Now moving to unit 4. Unit 4, coming to long questions, explain parallel and scalable architectures, explain multiprocessor and multi-computers, explain cache coherence protocols. Now coming to the fourth one, explain synchronization mechanisms, explain multiprocessor interconnection networks, explain message passing mechanisms, and last one is explain 3 generations of multi-computers. Now coming to the short questions, define cache coherence. Next one is define synchronization. Next one is define message passing, types of interconnection networks, difference between shared memory and distributed memory, and last one is define SIMD architecture. Now the last unit, that is vector processing. Explain vector processing principles, explain multi-vector multiprocessors, and explain compound vector processing, explain SIMD computer organizations, explain connection machine CM5, and last one is compare SIMD and vector processors. Now coming to the short questions, define vector processor, define SIMD, advantages of vector processing, what is a CM5, difference between SIMD and MIMD, and last one is applications of vector processing. Okay, and also here I have mentioned the most expected questions from JNTUH exams. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.